So I actually want to be a print model and a commercial model and actress. So I got a really bad haircut. I didn't need to take off 3 inches. I accidentally messed up the angle doing it myself. And then I just went for it. And I mean, I have pieces that are this short. Whatever. I just need a month to not look awkward. It sucks. I am a firm believer in cutting your hair yourself at home if you know what you're doing. And I mean, I do know what I'm doing. It was just a little bit damaged and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut a lot because I don't like hair that grows out wispy and thin. I'd rather, you know, have it be thick and have it grow out strong and correctly so it actually looks good and can sustain looking good for a while. And on top of that, the hair color's all wrong. And when they say, oh yeah, it's a look, man, it's a look. No, it's not a look. Fix it. My problem is I haven't washed my hair in 4 days, so it's choppy looking and not as fresh. There was some residual green. As you can see, I did that triangular haircut and then there are just so many layers in there. I'm just gonna let it grow. This hair is very commercial. I do think it's cute. I think that when pretty people go blonde, they're looking for a pretty subtle look, and going darker with hair always is sexier, I personally think. I think I know a lot about fashion. Yeah, I'm holding my hair right now because it's just like so awkward. This hair is obviously not enough for me. It's a little bit too subtle. And I'm actually going to be doing some mystery hair dye. I have no idea what I bought yesterday. I have a general idea. It's like silver and ashy, mousy brown that shines blonde in the light. And then I have, of course, the jet black in case I need to be saved with, I'm doing stripes. And I do know how to do the stripes myself. It takes forever to do that. But it's gonna feel really good to be refreshed in the shower and just like wash my hair for the first time this week. So let's do it. So this is the beast that I'm tackling today. This is the kind of shirt I wear for hair dyeing. I like to have it buttoned up in the front. It's also a good shirt if you're having surgery. Very comfortable, easy to get on and off. You put a towel over this and it's not like a t-shirt that you're fighting over your head. I don't know why women do that, but okay. These are the products that I bought from Sally's yesterday. I got the Ion 10 Volume Developer for a sensitive scalp. I'm only trying to deposit, and I feel like because my hair is really porous that this may actually last longer than the 20 volume. If you have normal hair that hasn't been dyed too often, I think you're safe to do permanent hair color with 20 volume, but I'm just giving this a go. That's what I was recommended. And I have Ion Color Brilliance because I really like how conditioning the hair color is. It's a cream hair color. I got 4AG in medium intense ash brown. We'll see what that comes out to be. That is the brown that shines blonde, like blonde underlying pigments in the hair, which I do have because I'm dyeing my blonde hair darker. And so when it fades, or even just when it hits the light, it'll shine really pretty. And then I have Ion Permanent Cream Hair Color 7PHM in Pewter Silver, like a medium silver, but I really don't remember. Advice that I didn't learn until years down the road: always take pictures of the color swatch you're buying, because if you're like me and if you're buying something other than jet black in the store, then I'm just gonna forget what I bought the next day. So this is why it's like some mystery hair dye today. 1 ounce of that and half of the hair dye, which was 1 ounce as well. Ratio's 1:1 for Ion hair dye. After you mix your hair dye, let it sit for a minute or two, and that'll let whatever oxidation that needs to happen occur, and it won't damage your hair as much. I also have these extensions that are Next, I'm going to be bleaching the ends probably, and just to give it a clean slate so that I can do the stripes that I'm going to match my hair with. When parting your hair down the middle, take a square section from each side to connect it, and I'll just be doing stripes like that. I flip the stripes that came from the left and the right that you combined over to the side. Because my hair is layered, I'm going to take the next section so that it travels all the way down, with the stripe being even from top to bottom of my hair without looking like I've only done the top. I'm flipping that over, and I'm going to dye this underneath layer. It's been some hours since I've done my hair, and all I can say alright, I'm gonna try to do this without messing up, but it's already dorky, it's already nerdy. So the Bowser sound when he drops, wow, wow, let's just go with it. Insert video game sound here. Wow. I don't have daytime lighting anymore, but I'm so impressed with the hair that I did. It's very weird. I mean, I took chunks, like 3 chunks down the middle, which isn't a lot, but I'm doing it myself, and I just, like you guys saw, I grabbed it, I would dye it, pull it to one side. So I did it down like that, and then I also did a halo around my head just one time, and that was so weird how it turned out perfectly. I am going to go back in and add some black. My hair's still wet, but I'm going to try to focus in because it's just amazing what I did. My mom and I are shocked that I didn't go to the salon to do this and did it myself at home, struggling over my sink to wash it out. Side view on what's bougie or not. The haircut is not bougie, don't judge that. I was telling Bash today, I'm literally so excited to be what I called a Georgia peach model. I know I do look pretty as a blonde, but that's why I'm just gonna add some black.